Sanibonani ekhaya, igama lami MK and welcome to enye episode Leadership Insight. Namhlanje ngivaye ne coach lazwayo, coach labantu bambiza coach Twitter. Khulumani ukreni bra.
Mnandi kanjani mfike?
Hayi mnandi kakhulu. I know ubangaba quite a number of people ababhekelele no abakwazi ukubangaba ngubani. So bengicela usinikeze some briefing yana i-background ngawe kubangaba ucoach Twitter kubani uzalelwe kuphi and then wakhulela kuphi wafundela kuphi and how you came about kwindaba ze sports nje.
All right, yeah, sure. Okay, first things for the opportunity my brother ukuthi ungilethela studio sakho nami ngibe njengabanye abantu kweba sebafikile la before.
Okay.
Yeah. And then coach Twitter mina igama nesibongo nguDumsani Mabaso. I was born in Mpumalanga.
Okay.
Yeah, in a place called Tanaltin. There's a small village in Yana but it's Tanaltin, but then I came to Jozi, I think that was 1992.
Okay.
Mangiza ngayi eJozi ngizofunda ngayi. Yeah, ngaqala ilower primary eTutumeng end of fire ambulance ezone 8.
Okay.
Yeah, khona isigela bathi eTutumeng la ngaqala lapho.
So wethu.
Yeah, nguye Soweto.
Okay.
And then la so besigeleza namajita okay yabo tikomdisa ngigeleze naye bengihlala naye same desk mina.
Sure.
General bekahlala zone 7 and then ngasuka lapho I graduated to Ekelekizo High School of which bengigeleza namanye ama soccer player the likes of Yele Thulonyane, Brian Khafani, and then yeah from there bengiloko ngidlala idiski all along ngathi mangifika vele opposite bekune time ngalavula i-team bebayibiza i-Midlands Pirates yabo. So ngafika ngajoina lezo then ngaloko ngivaya ngesikela kanjalo la amajita bengazi ukuthi hayi la kunamajita Ntswembi ithinge via high school yabo. And then I went to Kelekizo ngayofunda nabo abo Brian Khafane up until ke ngiceda isikela mangiceda isikela then I decided to carry on ngediski ngidlala idiski ke. Okay. Ngadlala idiski up until certain stage whereby like I got an injury ngayeka then I started this thing coaching. Yeah, okay. That's so, where I find myself today.
During ugame kwakho ku diski ugame wazofika ku professional level or
I was still young ngikhawatheka sesentwana I think I was about 17 mangithola le injury.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I was about 17 and ecava that time in fact be sesentswembi ukuthi mhlambe ungathola labo chairman abazokutreata mawulimela uyintwana that time ayintwana ayizobona sikuthela ngamanzi sobona kumele uzitreate wena yabo yeah sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So masongenile ke no egroundini uyi coach no ijourney yakho ye coaching iqala kanjani?
Okay, me started coaching ngaqala khona inye team kanje enye out yami shoot manje labantu laba sike sadlala nabo ifriend yabo.
Okay.
Towards the later vele senginayo le injury le but then yazi mawuntwana oyancane udisk lokho ngiforce ngidlala nginayo la idea yabo sure. So le out le ang recruiter to his team bebathi igama le team bekubuhle.
Okay.
That's where excellent Walaza was playing. Yeah. Okay. Le out manje recruiter kanje ngaya ngayodlala shoot manje masiyodlala besidlala somewhere la eCity deep then the injury yavuka futhi yabo.
Okay.
Then I decided no man untwana wathi kimi no man mfethu because we party team how about kube wo coacher amajita because vele besingana coach besizidlalela nje untanga lo usuthu bekuyi umuntu bekayenza yonke into ku chairman ku coach ku captain yabo. So at time man how about kube wo coach amajita yabo then that's how I started this thing your coaching. Yeah,
okay,
sure.
Now tell me of igame yakho yokuqala we coach officially udlala nobani especially ku tournament?
Can't really remember my first game being a coach like kulama tournament road, but what I can say is besidlala ama top 4 by then bewangakabi khona lama tournament labo ma 100 na 100 besi masiyodlala 100 besidlalela imahlobo nakhona bekungakabi 100 bekusesabo ma 68 yabo. Yeah sure bekungakabi baya lama tournament la bekama top 4 top 8 yabo, but the one tournament that we played that I can remember besidlala eCity deep.
Okay.
And then ngizokutshela story in that team that I was coaching I used to have Brian Khafane. I don't know if you know the guy. No. But bayamqava.
Okay.
Sure, I used to have Brian Khafane nale out le bathu Lazarus Mtswapong ngiphethe no excellent Walaza. We played that tournament like 3 weeks in succession kanje. Masimele sibuyele basiqosha bathi abasasifuni la because of those 3 boys.
Yeah.
then I can remember.
So
I am
bekungama
told-
troublemakers
You,
lezi
hey,
eziyi-three.
besibhizi sidlale professional zonke lezi
Yeah.
ngitshela ngazo
Yeah.
sure.
Okay. So far you've played eligini, you've played kuma tournaments as well. Ne? So masesikombana ama games wakho wonke versus let's take ama wins wakho and then City versus ama lose wakho. Unamaluzi amaningi ukudlula ama wins or unama
Hayi
wins
baya.
amaningi.
Hayi bazokutshela.
Bazokutshela.
Hayi bazokutshela. Mina wherever I go mpintshi angazi maybe it's in my blood, it's given yabo.
Yeah,
Angazi
yeah.
but everywhere I go, every team that I've worked with, I've managed with mangifika first 2 tournaments,
Yeah.
I deliver.
Yeah,
I bring the chairman the trophy. Mark my words, bungababuza bazokutshela sure. Yeah, they know.
Because abo coaches engiringe nabo so far when benibavalele khoneni ngicela ukuthi banginikeze ama top 5 ama best coaches ababaziyo abababonile so far igama lakho liphakamile kaninzi futhi yabo. So I bet man ikhona le secret le ufika ngayi groundini mase ufikile yabona. That makes ukuba ngaba i-team yakho ishine to a point where they are not only admiring i-performance ase-groundini but they are thinking of whoever that's cooking la majita ase-groundini ukuba ngaba no, that's a job well done. Yephi secret yakho vele?
Akuna secret wena mpinje yabona mina what I do normally ukuthi nala majita lawo engwa recruiter yabona in football bazokutshela amajita mina khona le whereby like amajita bazokutshela ukuthi etournamentini babelievele intwaneni abanye kuma Grootman nami mina ngidlala ngama Grootman.
Okay.
Umuntu une responsibility oqavayo ukuthi mangene egroundini ngena ngeintwana you can win games but not tournaments. Angazi noma ngiyangithola na kule field esikuyo because at some point intwana zizoya ziye la where it matters the most, that's where they fail, they fumble. So ama Grootman where it matters the most, they now switch on ukuthi sebayayibona lento le nayi la you understand. So I think ukurecruit ama Grootman ukusipana nama Grootman and then uba install riding le ukuthi why we need ukuwina because is motivator inyuku eqinini yabo. Yeah sure.
So okay. So uye wayenza i-course nyana for i-coaching.
Yeah, I've got riding D license safa and then I still wanna ukuthi nje angisibuskars manje ukuthola whereby like laba shaya khona la ama course lawo kumele uvayo ekuruleni nanani and ngayithi na le team engidlala engicoacha kuyo busy every week we play, you understand.
Okay,
But now I wanna do D CAF. Yeah,
okay.
because I think now le nginayo le sekuyiphepha nje because now everything starts ngani nedi CAF yabo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I also saw Thokoza LFA uba ngaba kune course nyana abayenzayo for ama coaches and stuff. So I don't know if it caters for Isoweto as well.
Yeah,
does.
cater if mhlambe bengithole that information then yeah because it's just nje registration and then when also traveler uzobe make sure ukuthi uyafika ngesikhathi ama classes
Okay. Mara your information here yafika kuwe.
No, I didn't get that. Yeah,
Okay.
because I've been looking for something like that whereby like I could upper
Nice.
my studies. Yeah, sure.
Okay, I think I'll try and speak with one of the ladies that's working with them.
I'll appreciate that. I'll appreciate that. Yeah, sure.
And then zoidlulisa. So ngawaphi ama tournaments osodlale kuyo so far owazi ukuba ngaba okay that you didn't win and then you can even go back kwi drawbook yakho and identify ama mistakes owayenzile and if ever sawakhumbula ama team plus nama coaches that you were playing against bengicela unikeze nama team amagama wabo nawo.
All right. I don't know. Maybe ukuthi mhlamba ngithole grand, but I think I get what you're saying. Ukuthi ngisipane nama team different.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know ukuthi you want me to go through my journey or just where I am now.
Okay.
You understand?
Kule team oyicoachayo
Okay.
no.
Okay. No, let's say Mtakasi, yeah.
Yeah.
And
Akhona ama tournaments owadlalile.
many.
Wawaluza.
Many.
Ne. Now, please recall a few for me. Angaba 3 angaba 4 nyana where uye waluza against a specific team and to this day you know ukuba ngaba yintoni eyakuluzisa la.
All right, no, I get your
Okay.
question. Okay, most recently, ngizokhuluma ngama-heartbreak.
Heartbreaks, okay.
Yeah, sure. Most recently, besidlala i-tournament le Shaka, of which first prize era is 500,000. No Easter.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we lost to the Rock. Like we're leading that game, like 2-0 half time. Samba Pambili ngo 2 0. Then they managed to come back. Baslaba 3-2.
3-2.
Open play. Yo, that was a heartbreak. Like that was one of the moments I don't think I will ever forget, because it took me about 3 to 4 days to recover
From
their trauma ngiyibonile, because
so what
I
do you
saw
think went
myself.
wrong vele kada?
Yeah, kuleya game I don't know ukuthi ngathi what went wrong, because if mangathola ubheka i-message from halftime going to the second half bes emphasize as technical team ukuthi we need to get that goal before they get something.
Okay.
Because we know they're gonna come at us. And then what they did, I think the coach at the Rock, Wiseman, he outsmarted me on the day.
Okay.
Because on the day bekwenzakala nda bebahlanganise 2 teams. Ne? Abahlanganise 2 teams bekuyimatlwaling ne the Rock sihlangene.
So bamejile.
So bayenzani labantu laba? First half they came ngematwaling, of which I can say we beat them convincingly because we won the first half 2-0.
Okay.
But second half they brought lento yabo the Rock. They changed the person. They changed about 5 players same time. And then I think that's when we got it wrong.
Okay.
Yeah, they are personally the Rock, because they were starting to play Route 1 now. The way the Rock idlala ngakhona, and they managed to come back to the game and they scored 3 goals, brother. That was heartbreak.
Yo, I
And
tell
then-
you, chukuthi nawe masewuringa namajita during half time. It was all about motivation emajiteni. Ukuthi
That
hawu
was
guys,
it, Bafethu.
so far,
We there.
aye.
We there, the boys. We just need to keep a clean sheet for the next 45 minutes.
Okay.
And then be disciplined as much as we can. Then if we manage to get something, let's 3, then we shut the game. Then the boys, we there. Siyahola, we can't.
Yeah. So ngabo bana baye bafaka wona lamagoal ayi-2 wakho.
Goal lethu lokuqala likore uSt and then kwakora noTsetse.
uSt
Yeah,
udlala-
goal number 2 is T,
udlala ujezi number one.
our striker, jersey number 11, Tsepo Mashego. I used to play for EJTR, udlalile professional.
Okay.
Nakubompumalanga ubuya khona, yeah.
Yeah, uSitsetse yena.
Utsetse same thing naye, utsetse ukhulile ku Pirates Development, udlalile futhi utsetse even better, udlalile na ku national team ye South Africa, yeah, and then he played for teams like Bau Tongati, yeah.
Okay.
Polokwane City Rovers, yeah.
Okay. So bekuyi-trauma yakho yokuqala le.
No, bekungasiyoqala, this one is the recent one.
It's the recent one.
The recent one.
Okay, yiyo le kula ungekaxoli ncam kuyo.
Aye, but
Awuyihaleli i-rematch.
but yeah, I know, because the Rocks dlala le ama-tournament a-fruit sonke,
Okay,
one way
okay.
or the other, so
Nizophinda nihlangane.
tholana futhi. And then
Okay.
nenye futhi I can say maybe igame elike langiphula inhliziyo recently, since ngikuMutakasi, it was us playing i-final yeMahlobo.
Okay.
Yeah, and then but the tournament, it was a given for Umutakasi ukuthi no, you guys you need to win this tournament, because we played so well to a point whereby like in the final day it rained and the pitch was waterlogged, like we couldn't finish the final. Guess what? Our opponents, they were tired. You could see now ukuthi no, Umutakasi is strong, like they're gonna win this tournament.
Okay, sure,
But it's repeated the following week. Then Amachita was now a final. They went and got other players, of which we didn't play against, for their final. They supplied us.
Okay.
Actually, ukuthi Amachita we managed but baslabe bekwingaki score 2-0 half time. Baslaba 2-0 half time. Then we managed with sibuye sithi 2-2 stroke game with 10 men short. Sabuya sathi 2-2. Bayoslaba la Amachita ema penalty.
Yo.
So
yo,
you can imagine that.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
sure.
So okay, enye no before the question asingene kwenye team, at least nikeze ama team ayi-3.
Okay, and then tingakhulumi nge-experience yami ngumDagasi kuphela yabo.
Yes.
Okay, I used to have a team mina bekuyiliyona.
Okay.
Yeah, and then khona enye team beyikhona ngazi, okay, umjita sathe uthatha ibreak kancane or in. In fact wangaze ngamudla that guy. Ever since mina ngo-Twitter ngiqala in fact ngiyabatrapa mina amajita bayaqhava now.
Yeah,
Akukho la, I've won everywhere, like where you can think of eGauteng. Like every kasi I've won mina a trophy. But khona le outile mfethu, that guy I think I've played naye about four games now and big tournaments, and then a stage whereby like nah imali la, he always knocks me out. Ma tie but to dash. Yo alela khot manje yangihlupha mfethu. But manje lisathe ukuthi that's why maybe nami okwamanje ngidominate yabo, because that much I can say.
Okay. It's because ubuyenduku in straight.
But it was a learning curve.
Yeah. So basically, I wanted to derive to this question, but bengifuna ukuthi siqale sibe ne foundation yayo ukuthi when you find yourself in a moment where izinto azivai ngendlela wena uplana ngayo, uyaluza emagamini, ama-tournaments ayakushiya nani, and then isikhathi esibhaya nje, like i-feedback oyireceivayo akusi ile nto oyi-expectile, like bangaba yiyo ongayireceiva based on i-energy oyinikezayo kwi-game, because obviously you are a coach because uyayincanya i-game. How do you then bounce back after ama-disappointments aso? How do you then bounce back and still create igama for i-team yakho?
Yeah, you know, I always tell them, Mama Chita, that question, I like it because for me it's easy. I think, I don't know, being a coach doesn't mean necessarily being a coach. We coach certain time. Mina, Amachita wami, most guys was okay lang Spana now pinch.
Okay.
I'm friends. Namachita.
Nama players wako.
Yeah, mina my friends, I'm a player wami. Ngeke ngithole nithi ngiyoploma noSibanibani, mangabe khona umuntu onyoploma naye, ngiyoploma ne player.
Okay.
So that I can create that chemistry ukuthi noma untwana ngikhuluma naye akhona ukuyibona right ukuthi I know sikhathi ukusipana manje by understand ngiinstole kubo right, and kuba easy nokukhona uku-identify ukunotice ukuthi untwana man fanele ngathi akekho grandntwana umnandi engunderstand, but umuntu mahlangana naye only on weekends awumazi lo muntu loyo, uyangunderstand. So mangabe kunama setback, the team is not doing well, you don't know now as a coach, because whatever that you're telling the guys you want them to do, but ground in bakaya something different. Thola ukuthi inkinga ongakhona ukuthi wena ungasendile or umjita ujwayelanga ukuthi ungaringa naye. But if amajita silento le ukuthi sesijiteni samajita, mina ngibelievela kuyo like I brotherhood impinje. That's I believe ukuthi into engisipanelayo mina namajita yabo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So asifake fan kancane sime ngeteam lakho, because if ever singangena eteamini yakho ama player wakho, I'm telling you, they would all turn against you. We are grounding even if you are not going to play, angithi we are uyobhekelela amajita ama game as if now you're scouter in a way, yabo. Ngicela unginikeze i top 5 yama best players owaziyo ukuthi okay, you know what, they don't have to play for me or they don't have to play for you, but you can recommend them to any coach oyaziyo ukuthi they are in need. Yama best players angabuyi ku team yakho, please.
Okay, no thanks. Yabona as long as uthe ngabuyi ku team yakho, because I been feeling ukuthi uyangithayida.
Yeah, bengizokuthayida vele if ever bengithe team yakho, because out of the 11 yase groundini of which ngapha nama substitute, there's like 20-25.
Bengizokutshela ngithatha all 30 something players because it's umtakasi nibizo yabo.
How was it gonna be now?
Sorry about that. Okay. Mina yazi angazi in terms of your question, like can be any player or siyangama position.
Any player.
Okay.
For as long they are participating kuma kasi games. It's fine.
Okay. 5.
Strictly 5.
But not from my team, ne?
Yeah.
Okay. First player that I can choose me now, or I can recommend to any coach. Ilentwana le uShakes.
Okay.
Karabo Mkhabela.
Okay.
Yo ayophonya mncane mpinje.
Udlalela iphi team?
Udlalela iSkepe. Yeah, nakhona washiwa yimi la, wayiswa yimi la. Yabo mina mangizomove from Skepe to Mtakaso yabo.
Ufaka ujersey number 1.
Jersey number 10. Jersey akudura. I blind liyathothi. Futhi manje ineji liyantwana. Angazi, but is one of the best and unfortunate players ukuthi angatholi the opportunity ukuthi adlale. Udlalile yena, uyitholile contract ukadlala boma Cosmos, ukhulele Chiefs nani yabo. But ekasi dog mangaba kuthiwa pick that one player onqanywayo uqabanga ukuthi ngakushayela isipani on the day mhlambe yeah I can always pick that boy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's number 1.
Yeah, number 2. Number 2. Okay. Khona enye intwana kanje yasemhlakeni idlala ku Kazrick.
Okay.
Bathu Shavi. Yeah. Spana liyatsotsi ayaspana program liyatsotsi shoot manje box to box player that type of mnancane amajita spanisa energy.
Okay.
So with that ball Shavi mfethu ay shoot manje aw raise the ground ine ngayi skillful shoot manje imnandi idlala basic but you can see ukuthi untwana makuyiwa phambili kuyiwa phambili that box to box player makalimaka uyamaka like angazi noma uyangithola yabo so yeah I can always go for no Shavi yabo.
Okay, ufaka ujersey number 1.
Shavi normally ugqoka number 8 number 6
keep team.
Okay currently udlala ku Fire Sniper.
Okay.
Yeah udlala ku Fire Sniper untwana ama game wakhaphaya and then number 3 okay right I can always go for nalentwana le bathu bani uNeo Max.
Neomax. Okay.
Yeah Neomax shoot manje leyana ayilenza libe mnandi disc yabo ayilenza libe mnandi leyana ayilenza libe mnandi lenza libe mnandi uNeomax shoot manje angisho yacava ipoza yithende.
Okay.
Yeah sure poza by 2.
Okay.
Yeah it's that type of but boy unobulezi nyana udlalela imbizo yabona ubulezi nyana mara yena honesty makaliphethe kuyibhola ayikhohla ayi jam leyantwana yabo ayi jam sure.
So uyamazi ukuthi ufaka ujersey number 1.
Yeah uNeomax ufakela lamajezi labo number 3 shoot manje ilentwana le uyangithola ongeke uzuyina ke
Okay.
but uzokhona ukubona ukuthi hey kunengozi la yabo 4 ne siya ku number 4 thingibona I can take khona Mayaka khona le awuthi le bathu Mayaka bedlala ku JTR.
Okay.
Yeah center back one of the most disciplined players engeke ngaspana nawe yabo.
Usadlalela yona leyo team nano.
No udlala ku JT bathini Fire Sniper nayo.
Fire Sniper nayo.
Yeah yabona leya na usihle ingwenya.
Vouchers number 1.
Sikhuluma ngama Grootman manje number 4.
Number 4. Okay.
Number 4.
Okay.
Yeah asikhuluma ngama Grootman lapha yana mfethu hey and then bese number yabona nama player 2 but then uzochoose one I'll have to pick one kule 2 lenginayo bese number 5 khona enye intwana kanje yasithembisa bathi uChevu chef Shengu idlalela ama 2000 captain yawo jersey number 7 ayikhohlo ay
yena udume ngani
Chevu hayi mnandi leyana ke shoot manje lama player lawa angazi the Thembazwane type of a player angazi ukuambona uThembazwane somthola ebhukwini ukuthi abantu bashishiriza kanjani balala kanjani liyantwana leyana
umtshito ezokunikeza iperformance egroundini
Chevu sibala ayina off day liyantwana
yeah okay no reason why we keep on asking you guys ama questions are so it is to give a shout out to all our players lawo yabo to say guys siyasibona ispan senu we recognize ispan senu and because we are recommending you guys kumanye ama team that means we are wishing you success as well yabo as derive from ama players singene kuma top 5 yama best coaches owaziyo so far be it you've played against or ubabhekelele nje groundini wabona mabe coach ukuthi onama performances anikezwe ngamajita groundini ukuthi hayi man sikhona iSpanish shayiwe kayi and any team in need of a coach njengangoku mayibheke kupho.
Okay yeah ngispanile lamajita ngispanile lamajita yazi ngispanile okay right ngizofakanya namajita ayi2 asekasi ukuthi from development yabo I know ukuthi like they are good and then nakuma first team yabo
okay
number 1 angisho ukuthi number 1 isn't like ngimrate number 1 no yeah but sure. Then so ukuthi ngiqala ngaye uyangithola sure ngizoqala khona inyawo eKasam bathi bedlala ku Pirates idlalile idisk unfortunately yalimala bathi udira laka cheaper
okay
yeah coach eMidlands Academy yeah imnandi le out incosi yami mina uThulani izithola manje idlala Kaizer Chiefs kanje kunenxa yayo le out yabo
ne
yeah so untwana good nge-development, untwana like is a very good coach and a dedicated coach. Namanje uma ungasuka manje mfethu the development yala ucala ku under 9 and une passion yayo la idini yabo.
Yes.
Yeah, so I can say Uchipa is one of the guys ukuthi nami bengimangishaya mangisesgeda ngithuna yona lento le ama coaching what bengiya kuye. Yeah, ngincede umjito ukuthi hayi kwenziwa kanje na kanje yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, and then moving on ngibuye futhi number 2 ngibuye okay khona amajita ngayi boma emakasana wenu khona ngayi Israel khona le out le disco coach nayo tournament organizer yabo. Okay, sure. Why mention out disco ngimention because he's got an eye for intwana
vele
yangithola. Yeah, if khona intwana ngizicavile zangayi Israel ezintswembu the likes of PlayStation ngizicave through udisco yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, is one of those unelihlo for intwana udisco naye yabo. I rate him and then bese kube khona le out yona le bengitshela ngayo ngithi ayibacabulile. Yabona umuntu ongakazi ukuyine kuye mfethu, you should mention him. You should mention him uDash le emathayithayi.
Okay.
Ine strategy le out mayingene groundini. Ikudla ngama mistake wakho.
Okay.
Ikudla ngecomfortability yakho.
Okay.
When allowed to comfortable khona, ila yena capitalize khona.
Okay.
That's one thing I've learned from.
So basically coach ukwazi adapt ku change
exactly. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Ngiyangithola, yeah. Nah, that guy I respect him a lot. And then kube khona ne out ngathi mhlambe eyankayi platform yabo, not ukuthi ngibe coach but ukuthi ngizithole ngilo Twitter lo nguye today. Le out le upassion the coach 80 members yayekela mangizoya mina manje ibuyele coach 80 members no.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Why ngimention upashini it's because ngeke ngasibana naye saba ma coach kumamba sonke and then man ngafunda okuningi kuye in terms of those big brands teams because mina bengizicoachela le lama team nyana lawa amancane yabo ngayicavi le pressure le but then he's the guy who introduced me kuleso stage leso yabo. Yeah, and then umuntu njalo naye I think kuyanide ukuthi ngimention yabo.
Okay. And
then bese sibuye futhi siye okay khona le awuthi le bedlala idisk nayo uStitch angazi noma uyambona uStitch senhlakeni udlalile ku Black Leopards udlalile ku le yase Mpumalanga bathini kana TS Galaxy.
Okay.
Yeah, he last played for TS Galaxy. Naye uStitch mfethu unelihlo for intwana yabo phethe team eGrand damani. So ukuthi nje okay.
Iphi team ayicoachayo ka?
Coacha iMhlakeni Future Stars.
Okay.
Yeah. Yasemhlakeni.
Okay.
Intwana zikada mane zidlala nama first teams zidlala nathi. Like but intwana but eziphekiwe lezi intwana because you can see mazidlala ziyadlala lezi intwana and then zine discipline and then naye umjita so ukuthi nje okay ngithe mangikhuluma naye ngithi ngimbuza ukuthi waya ngajoin ama tournament indaweni ezikanje so that azokhona ukuthola le wangikhalela ukuthi hayi kana ama fans nani inibonza yabo into ezinjengalezo yazi ngeke sithola abo chairman abafanele uyaziranela le team yabo at the same time so naye that guy loyana mfethu I believe from him being a player to being a coach I think it's easy and then that's why I khona uku-identify le intwana lezi anazo manje because uphethe team sharp umjita naye so I can say is one of the up and coming young coaches abazayo yabo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay danke coach. So
I can say yabona kule team enguyo manje.
Yeah.
You've created that even nasekasi la sihlala khona like where team is based.
Okay.
Sabo mabona bulawe because everywhere we go is nalento le ukuthi laba kumele baliwe. Imali ngeke bahambe nayo.
Yeah.
You know in this kasi football everywhere la uzovakashela khona kunama team local obvious and then you'll find not about chairman but the supporters but try kunibhula babe nalento le ukuthi bani intimidate whatsoever but njoba ngisho mina have got soldiers yabo
Yeah.
sijwayele lento level hence that I can proudly say now akukho la eGauteng la singakawini khona we went everywhere and we won, so that can tell amajita December babuya eKZN
Sure.
badliwe ku semi-final. That can tell i-courage yamajita ukuthi banjani. So yes, we do get those intimidations, but hayi kithi hayi into nje bayazikhulumela, because at the end of the day we know ukuthi they won't bully us to a point whereby like bayasithinta
Okay.
or whatsoever. This is gonna be talks and whatsoever. Yeah.
Okay. So currently akhona ama developments enibhizi ngawo, especially kuma juniors mhlambi ama players eniwa developer to babazokale bazodlalela i-first team.
For manje asinayo riding i-development only focusing ku first team yabo,
First team,
but sinama team asisipana nawo yabo.
Sure.
Amajita asikhona ukuthi mhlambe mangabe sidinga intwana mhlambe boma under 20 siyakhona ukuthi hey man
Okay.
ela boleka intwana ezi3 ezi under 20 khona tournament kanjena.
Okay.
That's how we work, but tina basically manje still nge first team.
Your first team.
Yeah.
Okay. I-community yakhona la i-team situated khona iyayisupport i-team.
Oh, the Red Army. Oh,
The Red Army.
You'd love to love amasupporter womtakasi. Yeah, sure. Mina okay, team yaseshawela. Mina ngise Middlelands.
Okay.
Yeah, but mfethu hayi lama hotman lawa lama sister lawa yana mfethu. Like
Yeah.
those are the people that I think of first thing first must ne game ukuthi ish ngayo disappoint labantu, because
Labantu labo.
mangababona base gaming baqhula bashaya isigubhu mfethu, like this song engithandayo yabo you ehle angazi noma ngiyayithanda or ngizwisa ubuhlungu yabo.
Okay.
Yeah man, mabacala bacula yona ukuthi khona labake bangiqulela yona ngizwa, but I couldn't hear what they were saying.
Okay.
Because I was too focused egaming and ngisakhumbula ukuthi lelo game lelo sidlale kanjani, because I can't even remember ukuthi besibuphi. Yazi bathini la bantu babacela bathi ungawari mtakasi lizokora ibhola mara bayishaya ngesivenda, so ngowara mtakasi idokora bhola futhi mabayicula talk like that ayisani ayifila yabona. That's one thing engezi ukuthi nje njalo ekseni mangivuka ngicabangela ayi mfethu mtakasi nenye support talk wherever we go uzobona nawe it's ready by support mfethu kuphuma Iveco.
Yeah.
Ama Iveco lawa akhruti bayakhipha
Kula ama
2-3.
support akuphela.
Yeah, 2-3 siyawakhipha. Baze each and every game ayikho game labangazi. La kudlala khona imtakazi uzobona ngoba ready nje.
Okay. Ngobani ko lama fans lawo obakhumbulayo amagama wabo?
Ngabuthi hayi baningi bakhumbula bonke, almost everybody. I know everybody.
Ne.
Yeah, I know everybody because sinalento leyo ukuthi mina interact with my fans, because at the end of the day they are the people that I need to make them happy, because bayaspenda labantu laba inyuke yabo ukukhipha lawo ma-quantum lawo. It's not easy ukukhipha inyuke yakho, and then mawufika egroundini it's not only the transport.
Yeah.
Khona ama-entertainment nani you understand. So we need to respect those people and give them what they want, even though sometimes kunokuba nzima.
Sure.
But we try. So just wanna say a shout out to them, say bayazibazora ndiyabafuna.
Okay.
Yeah.
So uthini ngesanikuvanga?
Okay, mangisho kanjalo ngithi bayazi ukuthi ngiyabathanda.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Mavenda or Vavenda. Do I say Mavenda or Vavenda?
Bavenda.
Bavenda.
Yeah.
So ngawaphi ama leadership qualities that you think are essential for whoever that is aspiring to be a coach?
Yeah, yabona, I think one key where I can tell them ukuthi you need to be disciplined when yourself, because it is kimpinje. If ungekho discipline wena, then uzoba nama player ngekho discipline, then without discipline my team they tend to struggle man yabo. So respect when aqala, then you respect those young ones, and then they will give you the love and respect back. And then mawunazo zichu, you've got diamonds that when anje you need and you go polish anje yabo.
Okay.
Yeah. So that much I can say ukuthi amajita wahlo iba ne respect man emajiteni so that yonke into nizokhona ukuthi nibone ngeliswe liwane yabo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now let's say you are preparing to get ground in Namajita, or like okay, you are preparing to perform a Gleo tournament leyo. Wa motivator kanjani Namajita ukuba ngaba mawafike ground in a perform at their best, and how do you then portray to them ukuba ngaba even if you lose bafethu it's okay because I know the performance yenu as a coach yenu?
Yeah, yabona you've asked my question I think isikhathi siwana ngazi noma awe. Okay, number one,
Sure.
just to motivate the boys. Mina buyers na abamajita. The only thing that motivates me is money.
Okay.
Angeke sivuke ekseni siye groundini sithi
Entertain abantu nje.
no, we need to entertain them, but so participator. We're going there to compete as
Okay.
participate as we go participate.
Participate,
Yeah,
okay.
but we almost each and every tournament is so compete yabo
Okay, yeah.
for that prize because that's why being ngitshela ngithi ngidlala ngama-hotman abantu abanama responsibilities. So nakanjani sayidinga le nyuku leyo you understand
Okay.
because in that time mhlawumbe omunye kubuzenzele something wathola ukwaya something but makayibona naye ukuthi san akumelanga vele lento le because talented wise amajita it's a given.
Okay.
We've got the best talent man I can say man kukasi football kumtakasi. Yeah. We've got the best.
Okay. So you said no game is all winter games at the ground.
Yeah, not is all Saturday.
Saturday, I mean.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, Saturday. You won
Yeah, we won convincingly.
convincingly.
Yeah.
Nobody score
3-1.
3-1. What happened goal loqala?
In our first goal kanal kore kanjani okay who scored our first goal Sithine.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, that game bekuyile game lelo vele okay ama opponent they were having energy besidlala intwana encane not intwana encane per se but yeah they had that energy.
Okay.
And then I told them ukuthi okay right la diweza ngakhona asibabambeni nge-counter press yabo.
Okay, experience.
That's how we scored our first goal because sithe masiqeda ukulithola it was uSthiwa phuma ewane wamkhipha running behind the defense.
Okay.
Then 1v1 the goalkeeper then he managed to finish that chance.
Okay. Now it got to a point where bagcina nabo sabakore goal against wena. You made a mistake.
Yeah, yazi goal labo ne it was a penalty of which I don't think it was a penalty yabo
Okay,
because
come
I
here.
think bese phelile game uRevra zama ukuba gaya nje something yabo
Yeah,
because
yeah.
idefender lethu fikela Gandhi polo la manu akhabale la polo wayikhomba yabo
Yeah.
but yeah we understand
Okay,
and then by then
Yeah.
iscore bekuyi 2-0
We 2-0, okay, sure.
5 minutes left bakora then immediately baqeda ukora masilisusa center
Nabe
sakora
senyokora nani. Okay. Okay. Kuthethwa ngayo everywhere. We are living in a country that is dominated by abantu corrupt. Yabo? In a way that isystem nje kwasanayo it's corrupt to this point. Yabo? Now, what do you think are the dangers abo referee abafaka ama careers wabo kuzo ngokuthatha ama briberies kula ama coach lana during ama games, because lento leyana it doesn't only affect the performance ye game, it affects a player, and it doesn't only affect a player, it affects a fan, and it doesn't only affect a fan, it affects a family yalale play buyakhona. So it's a chain into yakhona. So yeyiphi indlela that you think lama jita la athathi bribe ko lama games lana are destroying ama careers wabo ngayo?
yabona when it comes to that it's too sensitive for me yabo
Yeah.
because mangathola ubheka if maybe ungachecka you can do your rounds bazokutshela I think I'm the one coach with the most red cards ukasi football
Okay.
because I always fight abo referee mina mpinje yabo
Yeah,
because
yeah.
I've been there I know how they operate mangabe kuna something you understand and then babe nalento le ukuthi they will send you out yabo
Yeah,
of which
sure.
and like I'm glad you touched this topic because I always wanted to voice out ngalento lena yabo
Sure.
abo referee bayaskwatshisa kakhulu futhi ematholamentini yabo
Yes.
because they know ukuthi they are protected, you cannot tell them anything. And then I'm not saying this to Gutin Kulmela Martin, but I want to highlight something.
Yes.
We are all humans, man. We make mistakes. And then if ureferee ufeel ukuthi wenza mistake, then say ntwana yami man, hayi ngibonile mistake ngidlulile. Do you think I would shout at you? No, I wouldn't do such. Ngizokhona ukubona ukuthi uyacknowledge umjita ukuthi emfethu uyayenza ngeke sithi si100 uzuyiwengu zonke sithi bese wena uyi1 uthi right, like come on now, you understand? It's where you can see ukuthi kuna something behind, and then I always fight for such because I don't believe ukuthi nawe you wouldn't proud yourself win tournament uqava ukuthi uthenga abo referee or le tournament uwine kanje deserve ukuwina usibani bani yabo. I didn't le damage game emotionally game kakhulu wena mpintshi, and now for reputation yabo qabanga nje uyitime elingaka ngaphela abo referee intanga zethu most uyathuka eground njalo wena ubizwa ngale inhlamba lezo for your own reputation. Man, why can't you just go there because you're getting paid for whatever amount that you're getting for a game, do your job correctly, and then wonke umuntu ajabule. You understand? I mean, I'm glad you brought this up, my brother, man. Hey, because that's too sensitive for me. I would everybody squatches. I mean, that's how I see things because I'm a victim of referees, voicing out.
So it goes down to a situation where you'd find abo referee bavumelani maybe ngaleyo amount abavumelana ngayo makucala i-tournament to say per game sifuna imali so per team, yabo. And then uthola ukuthi makusekufika kwi-final izinto seziyachange no, and when you've given as a tournament organizer you've given information to ama coaches or ama team directors to say okay, now this is the amount efunwa ngabo referee per game. So I don't know if ever you are going to qualify kuyo yonke le top 16 or the top 32 or the top 48 or the top 62, I don't know, but then abo referee bafuna imali so per game. Now abo referee wena as umuntu organizer i-team yakho nanani uyazilungiselela to say okay, if ever i-top 16 maybe sizodlala ama game ayi4 sizolungisa imali so yabo referee. Come i-final mase kumele kudlalwe i-final egroundini referee sebeyayichinja idola ukuthi hayi asisafuni le mali le, sesifuna imali esongo because kudlalwa i-final. Have you encountered a situation enjalo?
No. Okay. I've never, because these people, I think i-referee nabo bane panel yabo yabo referee, whereby you maybe go to a particular person umtshela ukuthi to host tournament ufuna abo referee, so and then you sit down with these people and then you negotiate the price. We talk here right, but if makuphela mhlambe tournament, let's say for argument's sake I'll give you 15,000, then that's where you tone it down when as a tournament organizer ukuthi abo referee budget abo referee kumele ibe kanje banezibonza amajita nabo at the same time siyakhona ukuthi le mali yabo referee iphume lapho, or per game bayasho ukuthi no tournament per game ukuze sikhona cover mali yabo referee mhlambe team ibhadala 150 per game, then that's 300. You understand? Each and every game. So I mean, I think it's being selfish of these people to take money that I think that money does not belong to them. That much I can say. Why ngisho kanjalo? Because I bribe. You understand? Umuntu yazwakala matala site akulanda athi ngicela mani kusasa. And that thing le njoba usho uthi ayikhawathi uTwitter phela or ama player ka Twitter. Mfethu these boys mabaphuma endlini bathi bayophanda suphanda ngedisk impinje. And then yet when you take that crucial decision to take us out the tournament in ube nas deserve ukuthi siphume tournament in is very painful, my brother. Ihlungu mayifika lapho sure.
And that is why kumakela amaninzi you'd find it gets to a point where abo referee are being assaulted emaground, be it by player okanye ama fans. It's because of ama situations are so. And we're not saying ukuthi every time when go attack referee no, but then one of the dominating factors is cause it's because of bribery. So as I was saying, we not only even kuma coaches, we are not saying nabo like siyabathethelela when we are saying mayiphelele into ye-bribery, because they are the ones at the end of the day approach la majita babanikeza ideas to say mfethu nami ngizokubhekela, and you will never know bangabu referee sokola kanjani
inyuke ecineni,
and then le bribery uzokala nayo mhlawumbe izocover lesa sikoloto sikamashonini. So yangithola ukuthi everyone is exploiting inkinga zomunye umuntu, and then ekugcineni if ever uwina ama trophy and uwawina out of bribery, ya vele thina sizokupraise nani but then when uyazazi
zazi.
ukuthi
Hence-
akusiye yakho le
Hence that is why bengisho ngithi with me it wouldn't sit well
yeah
with the person that I am ukuthi I know ukuthi le tournament liyangiwinanga
uyiwinanga
uyangithola wena brother I sure as deserve kuyiwina that doesn't sit well with mina mfethu mina me win you can see now it mayidlala ukuthi no namajita ama goal getter yabo
Yeah,
yes we struggle sometimes but something should tell you ukuthi I don't know maybe I'll speak about myself yabo ngizokhuluma ngami
Sure.
I don't mfethu angithandi lento yokuthenga abo referee just to attest on that see the number of red cards that I get
yeah ne
that should tell you something ukuthi no this guy is always
Ana
fighting
relationship no referee.
anginayo relationship nabo referee angifuni futhi
Yeah.
let the best team win on the day uyangithola
yeah ne
deservingly so
because at the end of the day that is how you guys are rating umsebenzi
Exactly,
if ever uspana
exactly,
grand
exactly.
omhlamba udrophile nabo
Uyangithola,
Yabo.
sure.
Okay ano no nyakuthola
but just to say
yeah
ukuthi nje ezinye izinto but we here mfethu we here to reveal everything man
Yeah,
I think
fair.
we do get sometimes laba bo referee bakulande mfethu manje uthini usendaweni so uthini dlala
So-
ifinal imzuzu
yeah it's not always
And then-
it's not always a coach
Come I tell you, exactly they do approach us and then listen to this here's the tricky part
sure
uze kuwe lo muntu lo ukubuza ukuthi uthini dlala ifinal mhlambe 150,000
damn
and then what are you going to say wena because if awukhulumi language yakhe what makes you think ukuthi akayanga kulaba abanye
obvious because sekafikile nakulabo abanye
do you understand
or makanga or if ever uye wafika kuwe wavuma akangeke asaya la because
you know-
elinye side liluzile
you know my problem that's where most of the problems lies give me nabo referee because it's when they come and then I say no go do the job so bona masiceda
yeah and then you lose
then if I win I don't believe ukuthi unginisile ntanga I was just telling you to do the right thing because I don't think khona umuntu ongathi ukushayela isipani more especially kuyo le field lesikhuluma ngayo
Sure,
ngakamniki something because you need guarantee na yangithi
yeah
yeah
Yeah.
so hey it's a problem my brother it's a problem
you know anikhuthazi I so wish ukuthi abo referee bayibhekelele yazi le episode le anikhuthazi bafethu because siyawavaya nathi vele lama team la siyawavaya and you'd find ukuthi kumatyela bhaya asibhekisi nama cameras wethu kuba bo referee akusho ukuthi asizi ukuthi kukhambane groundini and we don't know ukuthi kahle kahle kukhambane groundini yabo and abo referee nama players I think ngabona abantu abadinga sponsors kakhulu when it comes to le industry le ye sport esishayayo yabo because kure where you'd find the tournament and then faki iathala bo referee ngiyabona ukuthi it's been sponsored by maybe a certain company
sure.
or
Yeah, sure.
someone kuphi because amakito abo ihlala ingala idu referees thengele yena for ukuthi abe clean
or maybe tournament yebhayile
tournament yeah ebhayile nyana abanawo ama sponsors how do we then call ama sponsors to say mawajonge kuni guys if ever this is how you are behaving groundini because isidima se sports niyasibulala yabo and mani bulala isidima se sports I tell you Tina we will talk against you so nami I've been in a situation where ngihlangana nabo referee sebafuna imali more than le bekuvunyelwe ngayo kuqala yabo to say ndanga it's towards the finally and lama team la anemali so thina imali sicabanga ukuthi sinyuse ngemali so now imagine le way because it doesn't only kill ivibe ye tournament kuwe coach yabona it says tournament organizer lo uhlulekile ukorganize because if ever ureferee uyakhona ukulanda ucoach and say I want you to add imali so instead of communicating nama tournament organizers naye enye into ebhayizisa nayo but then we are not there thina sisethandweni lwe sports nje as a whole
ngikuzwa kahle
okay so uyazi ukuthi udlala nani next ku winter games
La ePrals. No, ePrals angithi manje bayenzeni siyifaka ebhodweni mina ngikula 16 manje.
Kula 16
yeah,
okay.
khona nje ngisabalekile izohlangana nabo.
Okay.
Yeah.
What would you like to say in advance to whoever that's going to be playing against you?
Okay. I just wanna not to whoever's gonna be playing against me, but to those tournaments organizers.
Yeah.
That ama-tournament okhona esingawawinanga last year.
Sure.
Because now our slogan this year is to rectify everything that we messed up last year.
Okay,
Yabo.
okay,
Yeah. So
yeah.
last ngathathanga khona last year tournament was ukuthi sidlalile tournament just so you know ukuthi this year we coming with a different tune as Mutakaso yabo.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
it's our slogan this year ukuthi everywhere where we messed up last year we coming to rectify. And so far so good, we've been doing that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay. Si sondele kuyivaleni ne. Is there anything that you think bangaba we are leaving out, especially something that you would like for abantu abanlandelayo as a team to know?
Yeah, there's quite a lot actually. There are people that I would like to acknowledge kule platform le yona.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay, first thing first, ngacala ngo technical team yami yabo amajite ngisipana nawo.
Sure.
Rendani, Phansi, and like I just mentioned nje technical team yonke eMtakasi nembizo iphelele because we are one thing.
Okay.
Yeah, we are under the same roof, man.
Okay.
Coach Mahamba, Coach Pashin, Mr. Mkwebo, Mr. Mariba, Mr. Rendani, Phansi ngimmentionile, I think Stuba. That's a technical team, and then my little boy Untlantla, because everywhere I go, that boy support me. Mfethu young supporter le ntwana ngayithola ngayazi, and then now everywhere I go is there. Yabo. And then to our chairman, man, yo, foot mark figure good this guy. I don't even have words how I can express the way I feel, and then na the way ngisafuna ukumenzela ngakhona, the way ngisafuna ukumwinela ngakhona, yabo. But then before figure good chairman, there are people who I would like to thank for being the person that I am. Previous abo chairman ngisipane nabo previously yabo.
Yes.
One chairman that in particularly that I would like to give thanks to Chairman Mamba, because I think Mamba that's where I've laid the platform, and then that's where the name Twitter started to rise as a coach. Coaching one of the biggest team in Kasi football. Yeah, and then Nale Khotman Leli Uskepe, because they are what they are today because of me. That much I can say. I'm the first coach to win them a trophy. Yabo.
Sure.
But other than that, Khotman na bekumuntu grant kimi yabo. We were yenza ukuthi ngisithole manje ngikuMtakasi yabo. And then kule Khotman lethu lelurape emfana cha sicheza angazi ukuthi ngibonge kanjani Khotman lami the way usiphethe ngakhona namajita, but you know chairman, everything that we do we always think of you. Every trophy, man, we want to deliver. But I think last year I've managed to deliver. Mina na I promise it, yabo, because I've ngam promise ukuthi ngizokunyela boma 8 trophies.
Last year.
Yeah.
8.
Yeah, 8.
Wabuya wa deliver. Yo. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we did that.
Okay.
We won last year. We won 1.1 500 and something million. Yeah.
Why bengangicavi then
Mtakasi.
maybe ngengithola ishenyana la.
Yayibona right. But kancane yabo. So I would love to give thanks and praises to that guy, man. He's so, I don't know ukuthi ngathini man. Mina mangimbiza ngithi uNkulunkulu ophilayo yawo.
Okay, thank
yeah,
you.
out here lana I chairman Cheza.
Okay.
Yeah, uyonke into man, uyonke into. Ukuba khona kwakhe empilweni zethu mfethu, like it changed our life, it changed really amajita pa impilo zabo zishintshile under being his guardians yabo.
Okay.
Because there's a lot that he did for us, not in terms of it is nje kuphela, but as a human being yabo. So
Okay.
I would love to ukuthi ngimappreciate ngimbonge and give thanks to him kule platform le onkayona mpintshi.
Okay. No ndiyabulela.
Yeah.
Okay, so sikwi conclusion yayo ne. I know abanye abantu abayenze I tournament ukuthi bemnandi okanye igame bemnandi ama commentators. Please name a few commentators ozaziyo, especially from eKaslako.
Yo ikasi lami mina izani khona le ntwana lezi abo push iphesha hayi lezi yana bitch
Sure.
yo hayi lezi zibla nokubisha sinokuza yeti ground hayi man nokuyisha ngathi bangaziletha yeti ground
Sure,
hayi azimnandi kakhulu lezi yana bitch hayi ziyashelela lezi yana
Yeah.
and then bese kukhona kuba le out le bathu bandi yasithembisa lena be tournament nayo sinini yama juniors hayi naye yashelela le yana ngikhulumi ngamajita professional abo TT hayi no sikhuluma ngamajita local angithi
Local, sure,
bese kuba khona la majita la okay khona enye out man talented le out lena mpinji talented and we've tried ngumjita le uJomo yasekasi but umjita unenkinga man unenkinga yabo yeah so that's why ngakhona ukubona ipotential yakhe but yena giving a mic that guy is talented dog
Uyahamba.
is talented uJomo bese kuba khona elinye timer angilazi le timer lelinegama but li hlala iBrown Fisher li Alpino dog yo imfethu uyabona le timer shoot manje nanoma igame ngasile game lena le hype leyo
Yeah.
imfethu lela timer liqava each and every player yasekasi nickname yayo whether Davidton social nguve or imfethu liqava ama player
Abasamnikeza iphephanyana
imfethu
lababhala
ayiliplan
yakhona.
lela time ayifuna ukubheka le lo mtswana kwezwa umuntu commentator ngesitswana dog like fluently like yes sakubiza shoot manje liplan lela time liplan sure
Yeah,
nalo
okay.
ya sure
No izinto coach ndiyabulela kakhulu Khulumani.
hayi nebonga mina le brother ukungayi platform podcast yakho mfethu
Okay, I know. Akhona amanye ama tournaments ekumele sikubheke kuwo this year beside le oyidlalayo yaseTikTok.
yeah thina kumtakazi we play every tournament like we play almost every league for thina this thing so
Yeah.
manje recent tournament the biggest one that we going to ama champ of champ.
Okay.
Yeah, qualified for champ of champ,
Champ of Champs,
Chairman's choice. Yeah, because we won ama Phillies angithi last
Yeah,
year.
okay.
So Chairman's choice ye Phillies game yathi no choose umtakasi which is a representative. So we are fortunate and then
Yeah.
we give thanks nakuye and then yeah, that's the biggest tournament that's coming currently because yaqala no nge16.
Okay.
And show is one of the if I can name mina ku cabinet yami as a coach.
Yeah.
Ngishota ngayi champ of champ. Then ngishote ngale tournament le Shaka. I'm talking about big tournaments.
Big tournaments,
Yeah,
okay.
ku cabinet yami otherwise I've won them all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uyibhoza. So ngicela ukukhangelela i-team A1 ya this side engakuthelekisa nayo kwi-friendly match.
Bayazi. Bayazi.
Now sizoshuta video ye match yonke lapha ya so that for whoever that won't be able to make it a ground in
ukubona
akhona
ukuthi
ukuyibona
bekwenzakalani.
ukuthi bekenzakalani because I want to see you in action.
Okay.
I want to see you in action. Ne? So ngizobheka i-team and please guys ngicela ningisize ne because team yakhe niyayazi. Ngicela ningisize sithole i-team yalapha e-East Rand that is powerful enough ukuthi ngamelana naye.
Yeah, yazi ngicela ngathi ngayenzani.
Sure.
Coach man coach Jukes.
Okay.
Jukes Morino yeah kube ile
Ufuna i-team yakhe?
no angifuni team yakhe leyo team leyo mangabe nizoyenza ngicela ngathi ngaba uyi coach because we've got that rivalry mina naye uJita so it's gonna excite people man
Okay.
yeah
Okay. Yebo
Jukes
team
versus
ayicoachayo
people.
no uJukes.
uJukes ucoach Aston Villa but it's been a while since ngimbona kuma tournament
Okay.
but he's one of the biggest coaches this side.
Okay guys. Please if ever you can get a hold of Coach Juice ne.
Wena no Mr Brown ngayihlanganisa Mr Brown
Okay.
can do understand I
Yeah,
think.
I was gonna yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, if ever ngayihlanganisa no Mr Brown it's cool.
Yeah.
I-game leyo it's gonna take place kuliphi ground? Okay, sizothola ground. Somhlolo.
Is it far?
I don't know because MK caters for yonke indawo.
Yeah, I think
Yabo,
Somhlolo
so I
can
don't know
do
ukuthi
because
maybe
that's where we
politics
normally-
izinganibamba in a way but I don't know.
No,
I-ground
I don't
engiyazilo
think so.
engishosho ngalo ukuthi I can play kulo or I can organize game kulo. I-ground la Polar Park and then ne-ground la se Ward 58 la se Greenfield la ka Mr Brown. Ama ground ayi2 ensure ngawo ukuthi
But I don't
we
think
can-
now kuna something inside. I think they love football that side.
Ne-
That's why I suggest Iona if this thing gonna happen.
Yeah.
I would suggest Isomhlolo because they
Isomhlolo.
love football that side and it's always packed. Yeah, I think
Okay.
it can be.
okay. No.
Yeah.
We're going to push ukuthi le game be this year, ne? As soon as see plan everything, sakhole safumana ne confirmation ye ground, then sizo share ama details as
No
to
problem.
the game izoba nini.
No problem. We'll love that. We'll love that. By the way, it will be Soweto versus East.
I'm thinking ukuthi it's gonna be Soweto versus East. So please hlanganisa isquad sakho sibest la.
No,
given
I mean
that-
I always have best team.
Usho kaje. Okay.
Takasi
Mr.
tops.
Brown, Coach Jukes, please.
Yeah, I challenge le,
Please,
Mr.
please,
Brown.
good man.
Yini
Nasi
lena?
challenge, it's been shared live, nani niyazibonela. Ngicela ukuthi ningisize ngi-MK for me to organize yona le friendly match le. And kuyo le ground le ucoach ayisuggestayo ukuthi isomhlolo because of ama reasons aza nawo. But
Can I
then
say something?
are they open to suggest amanye ama grounds esingadlala kuwo?
Yeah, they are.
Yabo.
Mr. Brown, lena ngibeka kuwe Khotman njengomkhanselara try and get ama sponsors man kube ne stake nyana man Mr. Brown.
Okay, for team ewa. Okay,
no,
for
for both
the team
teams, for
ewa.
whoever's gonna win.
Whoever
Yeah,
that's gonna
kube na
win, kube ne
something
stake
man
nyana,
Mr.
ne?
Brown man how. Yeah.
Okay. So from our team, ama team angakhiphi next, like anga affiliate nga anything.
No.
Mawanga affiliate, let's let it be
Yeah,
a
sure.
friendly match.
That's
between
hence
the
I'm
two of
saying,
you.
yeah, sure.
But then if ever khona ukuthola istake
Something nyana singabekwa or
even
on
if
the
you
day maybe
get, I don't
supply.
know.
Yeah, sure.
Oh,
Yeah, that
okay.
will be a
Or
good
else
initiative.
singabrine a team ewinile.
Both teams, we friends, man, we friends.
Masiqeda ukudlala spray.
Exactly that, sure.
Yeah, okay. So instead of having something ezoba istake sizowinwa ileyo team
Team leyo,
leyo,
yeah.
because we are having a friendly match, asprayeni masiqeda ukudlala.
That can be a good thing, man.
Okay, so it's a call out to abo coach bonke that are supporting le vision le, abo coach bonke that are for esports, abo coach bonke that are for le initiative esiyenzayo yi today, ne? Please bafethu sicela nisame kinchinyana noma inazilahlela thuklipanyana ke ukuthi le braille izoba successful masiceda ukudlala egamini, and you are also invited nawe kuye leyo match le.
Exactly. Yeah.
You said ukuba ngaba can you say something and then ndaqhubeka nathetha.
No.
What is it you wanted to say?
No, I've said it.
Okay.
Lento ngicela ukusho ukuthi hayi man nabo Mr.
Oh, yeah,
Brown
Mr. Brown.
abazamini baphushe at least mhlambe kube na something nyana for
Yabo.
ama teams yabo.
Yeah,
No noma kungasi team one but for both teams on the day because angithi lana we trying to get a lento le brotherhood, you understand?
Yeah.
I mean that's what I always preach, brotherhood, because amajita mangathola ukubheka qabala 90 minutes but after 90 minutes na bawaplome bonke yabo, so kuzoba into egrand le team building le ukuthi after game maybe
Yeah,
siyaploma namajita bathole leyo gawula le, even if it's not much but
Not
just to
much,
have
just
something
nje ukuthi-
together.
Yeah,
yabo.
ne.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm thinking because Mr. Brown is politically affiliated. Yabona. You've just said bangaba ngukhansela. Yabo. So I think ground lase Greenfield could be an advantage, given that he's also got a direct communication no
Nah, boy, yeah,
counsellor,
sure.
yabona,
Yeah.
and then
No,
the
any-
game
any
is
venue
going
is
to
fine,
be
sure.
playing some sort of whatever with community. I don't know ukuthi bazoyibeka kanjani
Yeah, sure.
community le, because we're going to invite everyone to come to the grounds. Any Greenfields support.
Sure. No,
So I'm
no
thinking
problem.
maybe ukhansela ngazama ngesincane nyana ukuyisponsor
Let's try,
for leyo
let's try,
braille
let's try,
yabona.
let's try.
Mara Mr. Brown, it's in your hands, brah. So sicela wena and askizi ukuthi sizokuqala publicly before siza kuwe privately.
Yeah, it's something that just came up. We
Yeah.
asked Mr. Brown some of the ideas.
Okay. I know coach Jukes ne no coach Twitter. Nini to kiposte sizoyishaya. Sizofaka ubuso bakho nobuso bakhe. City versus lama coach ayi2.
Dead man.
Okay, I
That will
know.
be dope.
From MK and from UMK, danke bafethu ngokusibhekelela kule episode lena, and ngicela ningalibali ukucomment nisibuza ama questions ni motivate running motivate khona, and then nali coach lenu bafethu say something. I know you've got something to say guye, so this is a platform created for you guys to say something, be it nyamthuka because nyanazi nina nimthuke if niyamthuka
Critics is very
or
good.
nimnikeze uthando yabo. But then we've created the platform there for the love of leadership as a whole, be it Sigwi Sports, be it Sigwi Business, be it Sigwi Community Development, be it Sigwi Politics. Nayo platform afethu and Khutman no ithi ngiphinde ngikubambe.
Hayi no,
Dangi,
ungamina.
dangi,
Yeah,
dangi,
sure.
dangi. I bet I will see you ngayo le challenge day.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure, we'll be there. Sibonge. Hola.